I'm Cruz with Highland Contractors. We are out here in Newark doing a major project at the Woodhill Apartments and Townhouses. There's a lot of deterioration in plywood, ice damming issues. So we had to come out here, do complete tear-offs on all these units, properly ventilate them, ensure that we flash the walls properly. The office staff here was great with accommodating parking spots for us. We gave them a 24-hour notice when we were starting a section, and they did their part, which was great. So we're out here using a GAF product, complete system, weather watch, ice and water shield, synthetic underlayment, and a GAF Timberline HDC shingle. We are also using a TPO membrane for the flat roofing.
Hi, I'm Jake with Highland Contracting. This project consisted of installing a new TPO roof. We ripped off the existing membrane, installed fiberboard, put down the new TPO, and let the shingle guys tie into that.
So far, we have 2 apartment buildings completed, 20 townhouses completed, actively working on 4. We have 3 left, and the project is complete.